number 41, Paule. Jersey number 4, Paulita. That is Ocampo. 40, Jojo Hoops number 26. Telephone number 11, Telephone. Mr. Taquinoda, number 8. The Blogger and Jersey number 13.
Tambak ang pinag.
Isang maso, siyado na lang tayo. Pinapuring ko
Ano na may makod? Ano may makod?
Alam ko kung niya yung mga problem ko lang gano'n yun. Yung material siya niya.
Hindi pa ka namin yung wari ka.
First position, your guess now. 40, Falcons basketball.
Nagkasana nga tipid ko na.
Number 41, Paule. Back to the following unit. As of Mr. Ocampo, right the pass. The big guy. Number 29, Bautista. Iba talaga yung preso ng Bautista sa ilalim ng basket. Maluwag ang espasyo sa kabila ng mga slowly moving. Malaya ka sa kondisyon ng Jojo Hoops. Sa nauna mo, Brain. Ito si Mr. Taquino. Drosing to the corner. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Telephone number 16 control. Slicing to the middle. Extra pass. The flyer number 18. Copying sa ilalim number 13. Recover for jersey number 11, Telephone. Number 11 for Henry Howard. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 26. Here comes number 26. Number 5. 4. Recover jersey number 7, Dabu. Bring down the letter. Bounce pass. Follow you though. Lays it up and in. Jersey number 4. Nagpa-practice siya si Boss Baluyot. Running gun ngayon. Finisher Baluyot. Sa kanyang bagong kubunan, Falcons. Ito din siya number 11. Second quarter, in and out, Papagas at the line. Second quarter, jersey number 7, Bautista. Back to jersey number 7, Runner Dabu. Kick out pass number 41. In control now. Extra pass. Intercepted in the number 4. Taquino. Counter receive. Mabilis yung defense ni Mr. Baluyot. Back to the number 7, Dabu. Down the lane. Runner puts it on his leg. Malakas. Recover jersey number 41. Paul. 6.
Tanda ko sa ano
6 to natin.
Wala niya naman. Hindi pa palabos. Kaya man lang.
Here comes jersey number 13. Caroline. First basket for the Georgia Bulldogs.
Eh, bisa na naman. Hindi potong yarta meron pa kukunin pa mo. Di ba tali na pa sa tinaman loader? Hindi kukunin pa mo.
Mr. Flores.
Ito sa ating pikon.
Mr. number 20. Same ball.
nakakasabi kay Bayapon.
So, kumusta ni Wartang kontraktor o okay niya? Nung meron ng mga merong lakandaan ito. Manak ng mga play, huwag yun niya.
Kita ng puwang si Mr. number 7. Score natin 8-2. Balik tayo ni Mr. Taquino. Jersey number 4. Richard Taquino. Back to Mr. Pedro Rosario number 18. The 3-point shot from number 18. Strong recover ni Mr. number 41. Ito tumatakbo si Mr. number 4. Baluyot running down into the putback ni Mr. number 29. One break and one shot. 180 na naman. Ito hindi bumaba si Mr. Bautista number 26. Dalawa naman for the easy basket for the Georgia Hoops basketball. 8-4. Tapos yung kalamaan sa apat for the opening frame. 6 minutes and 58 seconds.
Mas palagyan lang yan naman.
Ano ba?
Ocampo for the Falcons. Rosford pass.
Pare, nagpandatang ka rin.
Down the lane. Hand back shot. Negative. Tapitana. Del Rosario may hawak. Out the pass. Taquino. And to number 4. He gets a line down to number 4.
Igrado rin.
Here comes jersey number 19. Almost steal. Number 19 pa rin may hawak. Slicing the middle. Fancy pass to Mr. Bautista. A nice shot sa ilalim ng basket. Marami sa number 29. Meron ka ng 4 na puntos Mr. Bautista. Pag nakakapuntos si Mr. Bautista, number 29, talagang nakababa agad si Mr. Bautista. Pag hindi nakapuntos, hindi bumababa si Mr. Bautista. Sa kabila naman na 16 seconds on the shot ng Taquino. Back to Mr. number 30, Taquino. Puts it up. Patay ng rookie. Here comes now. Rebound jersey number 19. Ocampo. Transition offense. 4-2. Tingnan natin Ocampo. Behind the back pass. Foul shot number 29. Bautista, pangalan na puntos siya para sa Bautista. Jojo na hoops longer. Del Rosario. Ganda pa sa ilalim. Walang depensa. Nipis na. Wala naman yung touchdown pass. Bagay ni Sir Baluyot. Ito na. No look pass. Gusto ko matalo. Mabilis na kamay. Bola sa Mr. Leon number 26. bibitawan. Mapupunta kayo sa number 41. Back to this number 4. Follow you. Inside pass. Nice pass on jersey number 7. Number 4 to number 7.
Laban, dead ball.
This is the score natin.
Mag-report yun.
Here comes number 13. Tucking it against number 4. Kick back pass number 8. Just number 4. Pretty strong. Pick up the number 41. Looking at jersey number 18. Pass down pass Bautista. Ito tatlo dalawa naman ang labangan. Down the lane to number 7. Speed, 6, 10 na ang kalamangan na natin. Parang basketball. Number 26, set the wall na. Ito sa number 8. Ito na naman si Mr. Akin ang taro. Ito sa number 4. Mintisala. Ito yung recover jersey number 26. Mr. Lomba, number 29. Bautista, extra pass to Mr. number 7. That's a foul on jersey number 11. Number 11 out.
Pare. Magtitake pa bukas.
Ako may nagkanta.
First and jersey number 7 na boys here. First and runner. Meron pa na.
Kaya kanina.
7 puntos sa akin.
Ingat pare.
Throw to jersey number 7. 3 minutes and 33 seconds in action sa ating first quarter pa lang. Official score natin 18 to 16. 12.8 for the Bagans basketball. Great count on jersey number 4. Takinan. Rosing to the main corner on jersey number 4. Here comes jersey number 18 from way downtown. In and out, pushback number 13. Isang quarter parang meron ka parang isang puntos. Tingnan natin kung mapipika kung second points on dito sa number 18. Dalawa sa ano for a 15-point line is here. Official score natin 22-10 score natin 12.8. Back in jersey number 19, Del Campo. Asking for a pick to Mr. Morales. Looking for Rangel Spencer. Naagaw to the Camilo. Matatapigan pa sa jersey number 13. Go, defense na pass number 18. Sayang sa jersey na jersey hoops. Nakapasok na nag-miss pa ako. Nandun si Mr. number 41. Back to Mr. number 19, Del Campo. Intercepted. Mr. number 13. Dalawa mo tipa. Mr. Dalawa. Muntik mag-minilumang. And the Susan Morales, number 77 now. In control, back to number 19, Del Campo. Almost steal. Back to number 41. 12 seconds on the shot clock. One finger. That's a whistle blow. Sa kamay, number 26. Hindi ka lang tayo kailangan number 26. Personal units number 26. The first down, 2 shots.
Dapat na yung stamp.
Happy na.
Ako na po yung galo ka.
Kaya naman sa competition, eh ako rin makakain.
Sila mga 20 points. 4 foul ka pa, 0 points.
Oo.
Pero ano nga naman yung tayo ang pababa?
Hali kasi patsakin na ita kasi tulitan eh. Kasi dalay loader ka rin eh. Kasan
Elbow number 18, Del Rosario, isolation against number 4, looking for the kick out pass number 13. Kick and go to jersey number 4, the key on the foot, that's a wheel to fire. Ocampo, and a down pass, Bagluyuta. Mabigat yung alo, blocks para kay jersey number 4, Bagluyuta. Here comes number 26. Good defense ang pinakita nila sa number 4. Mag-iigit man ako, sabi nila sa number 4, pero pag-iigit sa nandun pa rin ako. Ito si jersey number 41. Nasobrahan sa talon na nauna sa talon si Mr. number 30. Sa kabila naman number 19. Bang shot. Recover pa rin. Good pa rin. Mr. number 7. Naput sa kami is good. Number 7. Pero si Mr. number 7. Meron pa ng isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Ang Navy. 12 puntos. On jersey number 12. Number 7. Brother Dabu. Here comes number 26, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 40 Georgia hoops up. Mr. number 13, De Leon, back pedal, down the globe. 8 seconds. And a basket count that they kasama pang foul. Committed foul on it. Number 4 pushing foul on Mr. Number 4. Second personal foul on Mr. Number 4. Pulls on jersey number 13. Sabo na tayo. Mr. Baloyot out ka muna. Mr. Number 29. Second personal foul on Parang ngayon, Mr. Number 4 and Number 19. Tignan dalawa. Yan. Number 19, dalawang personal foul. Number 29, dalawa. Number 4, dalawang personal foul. Break jumper. Ito, magandang takso ng Mr. Paul. Ito si jersey number 7. Back to Mr. Morales, number 7 to 7 na. Inside pass, post move. Ito yung paborito ni Mr. Bautista. No testing here. Here comes number 26. Sabi ni Mr. Huwag ka na sumugod pa ang point guard yan. Sabi ni Mr. Ocampo. Baka makakapit sa panampakan ng personal foul. Number 26 pa rin ang may hawak. Kaya 15 seconds on the shot. Back to Mr. number 18. Back to Mr. number 13. Din ang may hawak. Play, ball, 14. Kick out pass. 9 seconds on the shot. Put the ball.
Press!
Unang 3-point shot ni jersey number 18. Pero Rosario, gusto natin ng 24-17. Now jersey number 41, at Paul ay pareho may hawak. Back to jersey number 7, back of the key. Baseline drive. Pero may pito, may hampas. Si Mr. number 4, Daquinod. Number 4, Daquinod. Hacking foul on you, Mr. number 4, Daquinod. Second team foul and a first personal foul on you, Mr. Daquinod. 2 shots. First attempt on jersey number 7 is negative. Exactly 6 minutes and 1 second remaining. 6 minutes and 1. Dalawang mintis ang ibinigay ni jersey number 7. The move for the 15-foot man. Back to Mr. jersey number 4. Break down the level of jersey number 4. Back to Mr. number 26. Down away. Extra pass number 4. Puts it up. That's an off pocket. Number 77. Number 41. And to Mr. number 41. May hawak sa bola to Mr. number 19. Kick out pass to Mr. number 41. Extra pass. Nakabigwit pa lang ang foul. May tulak si Mr. number 4. Second personal foul on Mr. number 4. 13 foul. Nakita ko yan, boss Daquinod. Bola nga naman pero may tulak ka sa ilalim para. Kaya tinawagan ko ng foul referee. Isipin. Pero may 2 shots na binigay sa referee. Isip. Here comes now jersey number 5, 40. Mental basketball looking for his teammate. Dangerous pass. Lazy pass on Mr. number 5. 14 seconds on the shot clock. On jersey number 12. Kick out pass. 13-footer jumper. Bang shot is taken. And as Mr. Quantum from the big jockey man back to Mr. number 25. Pep Tuno. 10 seconds on the shot clock on Mr. number 12. Down to 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5. And a shot like is reset. Agawad sa ilalim. Recover ni Mr. Castro, number 52. The bouncing baby si Mr. number 52 Castro. 39 to 28. Here comes now jersey number 17. Favorite spot. Short jumper is taken. Recover on jersey number 25. Transition offense. 3 against 1. 3 against 2. Laser off is taken. Tapik sa ilalim on jersey number 12. Mintis nga lang. Recover on jersey number 17. Extra pass. Sala. Short jumper. Pull up. Get sa lagi ka na jersey number 15. Number 15. Sure. Put this basket para Mr. number 51. Number 51 para. Official score natin 39 to 30. Here comes jersey number 12. Signaling for his teammate at 14 seconds on the shot line. Rather Kura pa rin ang may hawak. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Hesitation move. Down to 9. Nag-shuffle yung paa ni Sir Neptuno. Sir Oliver Neptuno traveling. 39 to 30 score natin. Ito na naman si number 0. Hindi nakadepensa. Andun yung transition offenses. Timeout. Nepal. Official sign in favor of team Nepal. That's it ball. 3 minutes and 39 seconds in action for the third frame. Unang timeout for the third quarter for the Nepal.
Jojo Hoops.
Yeah. Serve pa kayo nakapula. Walang sombrero.
Back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. Ito na naman, kahit si Mr. Tablake. Del Rosario. Jojo.
Jojo Hoops.
Bowing the ball, jersey number 25, Neptune off. Back in jersey number 3. Ito na, Mr. Davidchok yung maning sa gilid. Ay! Sayang yung offensive rebound yung Mr. number 3. Subdivision number 10, number 51, Bala. Out muna. Checking ulit si Mr. number 10, Yumul. In down on jersey number 17, back on jersey number 0. Badlagi break down ulit on Mr. number 0, Badlagi. Against number 25, out on pass number 17. Inside pass now on jersey number 25. Pinabayaan to short number Mr. number 15. Bigger. That is your first point on you, Mr. number 15. Contribute on number 15. Turnover. Next, alam yung susunod ni Mr. number 20. Dalawang kasunod ng test. On you, Mr. number 20, mga D. Back on Mr. number 12, sa Mr. number 12, Tura. Tinabayaan na nga kita, hindi pa nakompleto yung agaw. Back to Mr. number 52, Castro. Ito na naman yung sundot. 12 seconds on the shot line. Count of 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Pick up at Mr. number 17 for the guest team. Outlet pass. Ito na naman yung agaw. Basang-basa yung pass, break pass, extra pass, lilipad na, extra pass pa. Basket naman para Mr. number 5. Number 3 out, Panlaki out. 34 to 41.
41 na raw yan.
41 for the Neptune, 34 for the Gilstein. Inside pass for the Neptune, short jumper to Mr. Bakaspag. Number 25, rejected, and that's a good defense on Mr. Yumul. Number 10, outlet pass naman. And nandun na naman yung defense on Mr. Gilstein, number 12. Last touch is Mr. number 20. Kita kita Abilis yung defense sa Mr. number 12 iba talaga yung presensya sa discarding galawan si Mr. Cura. Ito na naman si Mr. Cura. Break down baladara. Touchdown pass Mr. number 25 Castro, number 52 Roger traveling on jersey number 52. Sabi ni Mr. number 52, binitawan ko naman. Binitawan mo nga parang nandun na yung paan sa ilalim. Traveling on yun Mr. number 52 Castro. Now jersey number 13 Agilus pa rin ang hawa. Handling extra pass short jumper paboritong angulo ni Mr. number 17 niya Mr. Namasraga. 56 seconds game guard. He scored out 41 to 36. Has the lead by 5 points on jersey. Rather for the netball basketball. Number 52 Castro. Susubukang dagdagan. No. Tabigan. Mintis ka lang. Recover for the gas team. Number 20 Mamandi. Isolation. Slicing. Extra pass. Talagang yung defense sa Mr. number 12. Nandun na ng ball. 27 seconds game lag. Shot clock is good. Now play. Eight seconds. That's a foul on number 95. Urzanya, second on you. Rather. Versus Mr. Givar. 3, 2, 1. Apa ulit? 39.
Last quarter na to ng second game. Ano na lang, last quarter na. Ang score natin 41-39. Yan. Tanghaling sports.
Masyado yung karang anak ilang mo pa. Okay, guessing naman tayo. Last quarter.
Last quarter.
Number 13 for the Gassing Aguiluz, looking for the receiver off the pass, number 7 corner pass, Nakasak, runner, puts on his feet, sa corner pass, pakablock, pagawin sa number 17. Here comes Closa, off the pass, number 25, Neptuno, gusto ko, makakabate, Neptuno, 13 on the shot line, makaspak, 13 footer, pull on his heel. That's a long two. Number 13. Extra pass. Inside pass at number 13. Pamira. Pinasa ka. Last pass at number 13. Number 13 pa. Last pass at number 13. Pinasa ni Mr. Rio. Okay, Mr. number 13. Tinawagan niyang out of bounds si Mr. number 13. Number 35, 38. Ito, nasa na doon ng counter steal. Neptuno po rin, second time around eh. Talaga naman, nagliliyot na kamay ni Mr. Serrano sa 13. Second game, last quarter, number 13. Nakabigit ng foul, tuloy na down, person number 33. Closa, second person foul ni Mr. Closa, unang team down for the Neptuno 2 shots. Jersey number 20. Monty, let's see the first assignment, jersey number 20 for the 15th line. The scoring is jersey number 20, last assignment number 20, Brady Jumper. To 42, here comes now jersey number 25, 40 net pull, number 32, back on that net pull, Mr. Makaspak, same spot, Mendiciona, topping it sa all, pick up Mr. number 20, Mr. number 20, isang puntos, baliktad yung score natin, idol, baliktad yung score natin, 44 yung dito, 45 yung doon. That's a foul on number 13, Aguiluz. Number 23 yan, second personal foul on use. First team foul. Dito yung 44, dito yung 45. Back on jersey number 32, cross at negative. Rebound on jersey number 15. Jersey number 10 naman nila na may hawak. You will find any hawak for the next one. That's a foul on jersey number 95. There's a shooting foul on the number 85. Second personal foul on the number 95. Second. Tatlong timeout tayo. Tatlong timeout po. Warning for the game. Sino para headset? Neptuno.
Ball.
Now jersey number 32, in control on the circle, signaling first teammate isolation against Aguiluz. Looking for the receiver, jersey number 20, Neptuno. 40 seconds on the shot, Lagos Neptuno is slicing the baseline using the body. That's a whistle blow. That's a blocking foul on jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, second personal foul on you. 5 to Mr. Neptuno. Phase 2, 3 full team. That's a hag on it. Number 15. Sige doon. Pangatlo mo na yun, Mr. Number 15.
line.
First amendment jersey number 25 is good. 46 to 45, official score. Mendoza, rebound jersey number 17 to the playmaker. Aguiluso, brings down the left side of Aguiluso, number 13. Here comes number 15. Down the lane, good shot. One fake.
Yung ligo nga, 0 pa lang yata. Wala pong pinatalo.
Time out muna, let's go.
Sabi nga ni Emil. Hirap hanapin ngayon to.
Ano yan pare?
Hirap hanapin.
Wala sa ano ngayon?
Sa sport na, no?
Sa toy sport?
Oo.
Sa Tobis wala?
Oo. Pumunta ako kahapon.
Aparte na ng dalawa ang ating best team for the last and final quarter. Lukas back, chance to tie the ball game. Give and go, pass to the wrong man. Number 13 Aguiluso, looking for the receiver back to Mr. number 15 Vitig. He control now Mr. Vitig to Mr. number 13 Aguiluso. Crossing to the midfield. Against number 14 Lukas back, looking to the midfield to Mr. number 13. Back to Mr. number 15. Extra pass, new ball, finish it. Apat na. Yung kalamakan. Nagkatotoo yung sinabi. Bibilis na yung laro, sabi ng ating guest team. Close naman ngayon. That's a good defense. Nagawa na shot like it's good. Recover on jersey number 95. Give ball on again. Put back. Number 32. Shot like it's reset. Number 95. That's the news of number 95. Here comes jersey number 13. Looking for an outlet pass. Number 25. Drop the lane. There's the good ball. And jersey number 10. 4.8, 46, 50. 4 5 minutes and 8 seconds ba tayo? Tatlong timeout pa. 40. Reserve timeout kayo ito pag na-basket or dead ball na lang. Ito yung ating number 10 outlet pass. Mission jersey number 20. Caroline Martin. Tatlong minutes na yan. Dalitan mo ng baga, sabi ni Mr. De Leon. Sa kabila naman si Mr. number 32, Mr. Nakastak. 17-footer jumper na gano'n. Papikat sa ilalim kanina mapupunta yung bola. Recover ang jersey number.
Iwanan na ang kwentong quarantine kayo.
There's a jersey number 95. Gibara asking for a pick on Mr. jersey number 6. Gibara pa rin ang may hawak. 10 down on the shot clock. Here comes swing. Lays it off. It's negative. Tapi ka sa ayalan. Pick up on jersey number 95. Oh, kanina yan. Kanina yung tumamak. Kanina yung bola. That's up to number 85. Down to goal number 0 Pagnati. For the guest team, kick out pass to 10 Euro, pass number 32, a short cut back. Ito na yung ating guest team sa fourth quarter. Kumakamata na po sa 52 to 46, 3 minutes and 15. Now number 25, in control number 5 swing. Back on jersey number 5 again. Division number 95. Keep on isolation using the ball. The acrobatic shot. Nagawin pa ng paraan mo. This is the number 95. Against the big man, Yumul. 3 minutes and 30. 48 to 52. 4.8 ang abante ng ating jersey team. And it's also number 13. Extra pass. Sandali na. 45. 95. Saka na. Balikan lang si Mr. Kapanlaki. P16. Wala ako. Matagal na. Nagpahinga si Mr. Pistan down the lane. Mintiscala. Swing. That's a foul. Committed a foul on jersey number 13. 23 a runner at the loose. Third on jersey number 23. 2 minutes 52. Warning for penalty. 2 shots on jersey number 5. Team foul number 3. 52-48. Sumama ng bahagya sa ring. Here comes now jersey number 10. Down the line is number 20. That's a good pass and a good shot number 20. 54-48. Adding now Mabante. Kipara. One big extra pass. Neptuno. Back shot is good. 50-54. Bring down another. Number 15. Dito pa rin ang hawak. Sa number 13. In control now. 40 seconds on the shot. Like on jersey number 13. 7 and 4 for jersey second. And then you got the second jersey number 25. Number 18 is down. Ang Johnny A. Counter steal. Tap on number 15. Now that is number 20. Monty. Ito yung bomb shot is good. Number 20. 56-50 is officially score natin. In control on jersey number 25. Exactly 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining. Wala tayong dead ball, my friend. Number 18. Ito. Bisa. Foul on. Number 13. Sige, pushing foul on you sa number 13. First personal foul on you. Penalty. First attack on jersey number 18 is negative. Last throw.
Last na yan. Kakalabanin na natin si Baloy.
Hindi ka pa makakapasok, Michael. Hindi pinasok mo sa number 18. Alam yata na Mr. Pista na papalitan mo siya kaya hindi na pinapasok. That's a foul on jersey number. Substitution muna tayo. Number 18 out. 6-5 na natin. Team foul number 4 for the net ball. Third person.
Yes! Ang daming tao, punong-puno. Nagsisiksikan sila. Hindi ako makasingit.